Hey guys, Ben Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs. I'm walking your faces to an unboxing of epic and monumental proportions. This one is really important. So sit back, grab a snack or a drink, give you what's going to have fun, because this is going to change Simpson Vlogs forever. We are unboxing today the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the Creator Combo Bundle. This comes with, well, the Osmo Pocket 3. It comes with a microphone magnetic clamp, a bag, a portable charger for the Pocket 3 that also acts as a handhold. Comes with a tripod that can either attach to the battery handhold thing or the Osmo Pocket 3 itself. And of course, it comes with a windbreak for the microphone, cable and whatnot as well in here. Now the important thing about this product is, whilst it sounds awesome, the downside of it doesn't have its own internal storage. But the plus side of this, as a lot of people would point out, is the fact that you can get your own storage of any size and, switching multiple storages in and out. So I went with the Extreme Pro SanDisk 1TB micro SD card option. So yes, you can buy an SD card from, I think it's Kingston something or other, on DJI Osmo site, where I actually got the Osmo from. I didn't get it from Amazon or Currys or anywhere else. Got it from them directly. Comes faster that way. It's just simple and easy, and best dealing with the company rather than someone else most of the time. Of course, my laptop doesn't have an SD card reader anymore, so I got this. This is the SanDisk Professional Pro reader for SD cards, micro or otherwise. As you can see, the comes with this, so you can grab this, put it in this, and then get that. So we're going to unbox all this. So like, comment, subscribe below, hit that bell notification to keep to date everything here on Simpson Vlogs, and of course, don't forget to check out links in the description for TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Also Simpson Vlogs, SimpsonPlayers.com, and of course, my Twitch, Simpson Score Players 13. We catch all the gameplay from the Xbox live. Probably 4 days on stream on what time stream. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Spotify to stream over on Twitch. Otherwise, head on over to Simpson Players. Check out my gaming channel. Join a membership over there. And Spotify as a streamer over on YouTube. And of course, watch all our live streams back whenever you want to. Right then, let's get into it. So this is what you're going to be seeing. Hopefully all of my American adventure in September. So hopefully when it gets to October and we're rolling out the American videos, all that footage will be shot on the DJI Osmo 3. So let's unbox all this, eh? Hello! So we're going to start with the SanDisk products. I went with the SanDisk combo. The very best, basically, and are very expensive. Now the links are down below to all the products, including the main event, the Osmo 3, but we'll save that for later. So I'm going to just throw it out there just how much everything costs vaguely from my memory. This right here was £110, I think, or thereabouts. Really expensive. Now if you want the option down, which is what I actually recommend, the 512GB, that's only £49 right now on Amazon. This was also pretty expensive. I think this ran me 60. Oh, was it? It's either 49 or it was 69. I can't remember which one, but you guys can see the link down below, the current prices, whenever you're looking at it. So they're not cheap, okay? But it allows for 4K footage, which of course is going to be wonderful. So yeah, this is going to change the future of Simpson Vlogs, hopefully anyway. Any of the vlogs we do in here, if we do any vlogs on Simpson Players for any more milestone breaking, which we've reached 160,000 subscribers on Simpson Players right now, as we're watching. So this is the wire. And of course it's one of those, it's not one of those weird wires, it's just USB-C to USB-C. Wonderful wire. I don't like the way they've really packaged this wire. It's bad for the wire and the cable, Anyway, throw that away, throw that to the side. Who cares about manuals? And I don't know what that says. I should probably read it. What does that actually say? Hold on. Register your product to get access, discounts, free trials, and partnership. You should probably I should probably register the product. I'll try and remember to do that. But it's kind of small actually. It's only year size. So that's where you put everything. This is the stuff on the back. Is it password protected? What's with the lock? I don't know what that lock means. I don't know what that does, but okay. But yeah, it's not exactly bigger now. I guess. Do we really need to open this up? Probably not, but I will do. Probably don't even need to open this up. It's one of those ones that are difficult to open as well. I'm gonna make a mess of this. Oh, I get it. There we go. Got a fingernail in there. Right. Doing all this from behind the camera is even more tedious. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's throw that rubbish to the side. Got it out the view. I've got a plastic film to make sure that even if you do pop it, you're not just gonna... Okay, how do I get into this? I don't have scissors on me. No! You know what I do have though? Right, there we go. Bloody hell. Don't do that at home, kids. You will lose a finger. So, micro SD, this, and... Is that a micro SD slot? I think it is. I think you can get that in there. If I... Is it the other way around? It's the other way around. So, yeah, that's what go in there. And if you were to use this, that would go in there. Oh, is it going to be the other way around as well? I think so. Yeah. Why is it opposite way around? I don't know. But that's how they go. Alright then, on to the main event. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Big box. Let's see what's in it. Let's hope it's not just air. Alright, so opened up. It looks like everything's going in the bag. And then, I don't know what's in here. Okay, there's an app for the DJI Osmo. I think I've already got the app, but I think there's also an editing app. There's a guide. Don't need that. Let's see what comes in here first, because I think all the cool stuff's in here. He says that, but I could be completely wrong. What's... Is that it? There's two slots, but there's nothing. There's two slots, but there's nothing else in the other slot. I don't know what this is. What is... Oh, this is a protective cover. Alright, okay, so it comes with a protective cover. That's cool. Phone companies don't do that when they sell you stuff. It comes with a protective cover for the Osmo. I don't know why it's in a separate box, but yeah, rate it. I don't know if it will be nice, but I rate that. Right then, the true main event. Oh. That was hard because it was stuck to it. So this is the nice bag you get. This is very nice, very demure, very on fleek. Right, open it up. So they did say it's pocket. I mean, look how small this is. Like, really small. Like, if you get this for a size comparison, it is really small. Okay, so inside we have everything. So this is the actual pocket. So this is the screen that you see everything through. This is the camera that does the videoing for you. Okay, cool. Very lightweight, very nice. Again, to compare them for size comparison against something, it's not much bigger than that in length. Very nice, very good. Oh, okay, what's this? Okay, so this is the charging thing that I was talking about. So this, you attach on the bottom, and you got more power life, and you can still film while you're doing it because it's... Oh, it locks into place. How do I unlock it? How do I unlock it? No, it's charging. Right. Ah! I didn't like that. That hurt. What the heck is that about then? I don't like the way that clips off because it's... Oh dear God. Okay, I feel like I'm going to break, but you get the idea. Put that on, you get some portable charge while you're actually filming. So that's pretty good. What is this? This is an even smaller battery pack, I think. So you get 2? Is that charging as well? I don't know. I feel like that's charging as well. I'm not sure. I definitely feel like that's charging as well. Okay, again, cool. Please, come out. Come on. I don't like that. Makes me feel like I'm gonna break it every single time. Let's put these in the shop. Kind of. Alright, what else is in the bag? Okay. What's this? Oh, this is something I'm actually very excited for. This is a microphone. Yeah, this is cool. This is a mic. So I think like this is gonna be really good for just shots where I'm not always the one filming. So someone else could be filming, but the audio will be coming straight from this, rather than being shot across the atmosphere. It's a very good bag as well, actually. Everything's all compartmented away. Alright, what else do you get? You get this, which is a windbreak. So you can put this on top of the microphone. So if you're outside, and it's windy, because it will be, especially if you're in England. Yeah, this is a little windbreak to stop all the wind noise. This is really cool. I don't know how effective it's going to be, but it's cool. Standard clip for the hand. Charging wire, USB-C to USB-C, so that's good. Everything's USB-C these days, so you don't really need to worry about it. Oh, what's this? What's this? Okay. So I'm gonna need to do a major recap on everything that's in this bag. I really do like how compartmented it is. Like, look at it, it's so nice. It's not just a bag where you chuck everything in. It's like everything's got its own little compartments and stuff. Real nice. Oh, tripod. Standard. So you can put it down on planks. Don't know how good it's going to be in terms of like sitting with weight on it, but it seems to be alright. Can it stand up like high? Because a lot of these little tripods don't really stand very well, but okay. I think the Pocket won't do as much weight as my force hand, but it seems like it can. It seems like it can stand pretty well. Not too bad. Alright. Hey guys, so let's review what we got before we end this video. So, of course, we got the micro SD card and normal SD card reader. Very nifty for DJI Osmo because you do need an SD card, which I have here. So they go together, they're both SanDisk, so that will pair off nicely. But of course, the main thing we're worried about is, look how cute this little thing is. This is the Pocket Osmo 3. It is really cool. Look how small it is. And, well, in terms of what it comes with this nice little backpack here. I say backpack, little bag. Whole heap of compartments, so that's good. It even comes with a protective cover. Like, phone companies don't sell you this. So, big plus there. DJI, big plus. Comes with 2 different sized portable chargers. So that's also really cool. And it also allows you to obviously keep filming because they're kind of hand sized for the grip. The fact that it's the creator bundle comes with the DJI microphone. So this is like a clip-on mic. If I just do that there. Oh, it clips on like that. So clip on like that, talk through it and transmit. I don't know how it actually sets up with this, but I imagine it won't be too bad. So you shut out with that, and it comes with a windbreak which just slots into the top there, which is really cool. So, in review, awesomeness. And hopefully a really good addition for the American videos you'll hopefully be looking forward to in October. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that bell notification to keep today everything here on Simpson Vlogs. Check out all the links in the description, of course, for TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Also, Simpson Plays, simpsonplays.com, and of course, my Twitch, Simpsons Go Plays 13. We catch all the gameplay from the Xbox Live. Head on over to Simpson Plays on YouTube though, become a member of the channel, and continue to support me financially as a streamer here on YouTube. As well as, of course, watching all of our live streams back to whenever you want to. For more unboxings, stay tuned here on Simpson Vlogs, and until the next one, peace.